Want to know how to block someone in Playsee? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily block someone in the Playsee app. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this current interface right here, writing post. So now you can just simply search for people that you want to block by selecting this search icon right here, or you can just simply explore and blocking. So once you have found your user, just simply select on it and open up their profile. So once you have opened up their profile, it should look something like this right here. On the top right side, you should be seeing this three dot icon. So you can just simply select it. And once it's selected, here you should be seeing something known as block. So you can just simply select block right here. And then once you've selected it, here you should be seeing a final confirmation of blocking or unblocking someone. So you can just simply select block right here in order to block them easily. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.